everybody, welcome back to the Difference Kids, where kids learn how to follow Jesus. Today, I want you to meet our two new kittens. That's right, Oreo and Kevin. They just joined our family. These two are still really little, but they're really amazing at one thing, chasing laser pointers. Check this out. They spot the tiny red dot, they focus on it, and then whoosh, they're in it. They chase it like pros. They're absolute masters at tracking their target. But you know, the Bible talks about chasing something too, not laser dots, but our thoughts. It says in 2 Corinthians 10:5, it says that we should take our thoughts captive to make them obedient to Christ. That means our thoughts don't get to just run all over our minds like those laser dots. To show you what I mean, let's talk about thoughts and watch our Oreo and Kevin chase the laser. See, the little red dot, Oreo and Kevin, they can't help it. They have to chase it. Wherever it goes, zip, zoom, pounce, they lock it in. Sometimes our thoughts are just like that laser. They move fast and they grab our attention, and before we know it, we're chasing them even without even thinking. Thoughts like, I'm not good at this, or nobody really likes me, I messed up again, they show up fast, but just because a thought shows up doesn't mean that we have to chase it. You see, God tells us to do something different. Remember, in 2 Corinthians 10:5, it says we take every thought captive to obey Christ. That means that when a thought shows up, we stop and ask, is that what Jesus says about me? See, Oreo and Kevin, they chase every dot that they see. But you don't have to chase every thought that you think. When a thought pops up into your mind, this week, stop and ask, is this true? Is this really helpful? Does this sound like something Jesus would say to me? If not, then don't chase it, just let it go. God will help you catch the right thoughts and let the wrong ones just kind of run away. So remember, Kevin and Oreo, they are thought chasers, but don't chase every thought. When a bad one shows up, just catch it and remind yourself of what the truth is. And be reminded, not only that, but to choose the best thought. Just like Oreo and Kevin, they may not necessarily catch that laser beam, but you guys can capture your thoughts. All right, that's it for today. You guys have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to grab a parent and go to Difference.App to pick up your copy of the PDF for the object lesson for your home experience.